Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Edna.
And I'm Alexandria.
Decor for fun staff meetings. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Everything that we did today, I think we're excited to share.
So the reason we're wearing our shirts is because we actually had a staff meeting today and we wanted to show you all how easy it is to actually put together a fun staff meeting so you don't feel like you're just in a room with chairs. So
no, it's a lot more productive and definitely a lot more fun. For any fun party, you know that you have to pick really, I guess what, a coordinated colors scheme, and then also a theme. When you're having staff meetings,
it gives it
important.
It really does. And this year, our theme is turn up the volume, so we're turning up the volume with everything that we're doing.
We definitely know that branding is crucial.
You want to see the same theme going along different spots of your area. And like we said, our theme this year was turn up the volume. So you saw it in the welcome sign when you first walked in, to our team's nameplates that are in their in front of their seats, and even the shirts that everyone was wearing, including us. We all have turn up the volume shirts, so you would keep seeing that reoccurring theme throughout our staff meeting.
One of the fun things that we did, but definitely was a lot of work.
It was the biggest project for them all.
Honestly, but it's the backdrop for photos because people want to have, you know, a good picture, especially nowadays with social media.
Selfies and good memories. So for us, what we did is we actually put together some of the things we already owned, but we used some table covers, and we stuck those together along with some metallic fringe curtains that we've already had. And we layered those, right?
Oh yeah, you know, honestly, I think getting on Pinterest to get some ideas of what you like, but sticking to your color scheme and theme are so important so that you continue that branding, even with the fun stuff, especially with the fun stuff.
We added some really cute fringe tassels at the top to make it look like a complete photo backdrop. And then we added some blush, so you can always incorporate, it's because our company colors are black, cream, and gold, so we incorporated a little bit of blush for a pop of color, so you can always incorporate any color that you like. So we added some blush balloons.
Oh yeah, balloons, because it's all about that. Screams fun.
And we also added some pink little paper fans. We love that mixed media look.
To keep the energy levels up and the momentum going, everybody wants snacks. So we did this really cute treat yourself bar, and we made the signs. Yes, definitely made the signs, but we found this adorable donut holder and then just added additional signage really to encourage the staff and know that they are appreciated and loved.
We always like to have a fun activity or like an icebreaker for our teams, and what we chose to do this year is a vision board. If you have any questions on how to host a vision board party, we can go ahead and leave the link up to our last video that we did. It was so easy, but we had a blast doing it with our team, so we set it up with some motivational quotes everywhere, scissors, glue sticks, and plenty of magazines, and everybody was able to create their own vision board. The last thing that we really did is we love giving team awards. So those team members that just go above and beyond. So we actually set up an award station this time. We used star banners that we already had to remind them that they're a star, and a little yay balloon that we were able to blow up and hang, just perfect, with some really cute specialized baskets for everyone.
Our team had such a fun time at the staff meeting, and well, let's see. We want to make sure
that we link everything that we used down below. It was so easy to purchase this all. We got it locally. And let us know in the comment section down below which little setup was your favorite. And if you love this setup, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and don't forget to follow us too, so for some of the behind the scenes stories.
If you followed us on Instagram, you make sure you actually got a sneak peek of this before the video went up. See you in our next one.